Have you ever gotten an error message like this but you don't know how to fix it? Now here is how to fix a corrupted zip file under 60 seconds. Hello everyone, you are welcome to WebTech Guide once again, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix a corrupted zip file. So close this and open your WinRAR application. And open it. So you are going to locate the corrupted file. So let me try to locate the corrupted file under downloads and new folder. Alright, there it is, and here is the corrupted file, and I'm going to click on the file and click on repair and click OK. So we are going to wait for some few seconds for it to finish. So this will actually take some time depending on the size of your file. So as you can see, this is done, and close it and close this too. So we can find another zip file here, rebuilt. So let us check this out if it is working. As you can see, this is the original file which is not working, and I'm getting the errors. So let us check this if it's gonna work. Extract. All right, now you see that it is already extracting. So we are going to open it to see if the files are still there and intact. So as you can see that the file has been extracted. So let us open it and okay. As you can see that we still have all our pictures, our file and everything. Don't forget to like this YouTube video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.